got a no-win class. Cheeky bastard. Can't see it. Fucking popped out of nowhere, I swear. I was looking straight there and it just went bang out of nowhere. Can't see it anymore. Shit, can't see it. 15 seconds worth. I can't see it anymore. There, no. I can't see it. It should be longer.